If you're an MSP, then you know how difficult it can be to keep on top of those critical metrics for all of your customers and services. This is where Squared Up shines. Take a look at this dashboard. We have an MSP overview where I can see the total number of monitored customers, all of my object and customer health, and the overall customer usage over time. I can also jump to my MSP cost example dashboard, where I can see the customer budget, the average customer cost across the board, and the customer cost per service. What's great is how customizable this is. For example, if I want to change this dashboard, I can just click Edit and then move the tiles around as I see fit. Or I can click the pencil icon on the tile and jump into the editor, where I can change the metric itself, or I can do other things such as turn on monitoring. If I do this, I can turn on a threshold for this cost metric. Once I hit save, it will then be reflected in the dashboard, where I can then turn on alerts if I need to. In my last example, I can jump to my customer dashboard. This is an example of a dashboard that might be tailored to a specific customer. For example, I have the health of all of their services, their cost of each of their services, and the number of active users over time. I could even add ITSM data from things like Zendesk to see their tickets in real time. SquaredUp has a number of helpful features to keep your customers and services supported. For example, I can click on my workspace dropdown to see all of my workspaces. These are essentially groups of dashboards with their own monitors and data sources that are kept separate, which is great for keeping your customers organized. You can also use our helpful sharing features via the Share button. This will allow you to share the dashboards you create with anyone with the link or anyone in your organization. With our extensive data source library, it makes it easy to monitor whatever services your customer may be using. These range from anything from cloud platforms to ITSM tools. On-premise data sources are also supported, which makes it easy to monitor those on-premise customer solutions, or if you offer cloud transformation services as an MSP. So if you're looking to simplify your operations as an MSP, give SquaredUp a try.